So in Dharmapuri district, with the help of district collector and his team, we have conducted green elections fifth time in Tamil Nadu. Prior to this, as general observer, I have conducted this in parliament election 2024 in Punjab, in assembly election Mumbai, then Gujarat, Junagadh by election, Bihar election. And fifth time here we conducted green elections, and this green election is nothing but it is the implementation of a guideline. Election Commission of India has issued a detailed guideline in which this is the guideline. This is the Election Commission of India guideline. And Election Commission of India says that election should be conducted free, fair, peaceful and eco-friendly. So the term eco-friendly is not very popular word among the voters and public. So we have changed the name of eco-friendly into green election, because green word is very popular, relatable and everybody understands very easily. So in this green election, we have distributed in whole district in all 5 MLA seats 8,560 plants samplings, okay, and we have distributed seed balls number is around 3,000, and we have used seed pencils, seed pens 5,375. We have given it to some voters as well as to our poll officials. And we have action and activities to replace plastics used in the elections, used in the election process by some degradable materials. We decorated booths by greenery to create a awareness, to create a message. What we see, accordingly we receive the message. So Palakot has made 3 green booths, Pennagram 1, Dharmapuri 32, Papi Reddy 34, Harur 6. Total 76 green booths we created, developed on the day of poll. And 100-meter radius around the 90-60 booths, we declared the plastic-free zone. And to aware the and to make understand what is green election, we trained our polling officials in their trainings. We had a bike rally of electric vehicle from collectorate. I was also part of that rally. Inaugural session, I participated in this with the collector. So Dharmapuri in Tamil Nadu election has created a new norm, that is green elections, and this is the foundation and this is requirement, and this we have done in the implementation of the direction of Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India says conduct election free, fair, peaceful and eco-friendly. So that fourth word, eco-friendly, is the green election. So in very brief, this is the details, and already if you will Google, there are so many news items, interview, podcast, PTI, ANI, different big agencies has covered these green elections in the past, because this is 5th time. So in very brief, this is green election. Thank you. Yes. We have experimented, and because guideline is already there, so we experimented it. And I have documented green election. I have documented green election in a booklet form for knowledge sharing, because we must document so that good knowledge should pass on to different generations, different sectors, different people. So soft copy of this is also available online.
Zarumri has been, sir, Zarumri has been a ground of experiment. Many experiments.
Yes.
Raitwari system and self-help groups of women like that. It is also an experiment.
So I am going to request, when I was collector in the Bada district, I started plastic free district. I have written a book and one chapter is. So here you can launch plastic free ghar, plastic free house, plastic free school, plastic free office and plastic free blood. If you read, there are so many articles that we do have microplastics in our blood. So plastic, try to become plastic free man like me. I am plastic free man. I avoid plastic in my use in daily life. So I request you that plastic is the most danger for all of us. I say we do have two mothers. I say we have two mothers. One mother is our biological mother. Second mother is Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is made of three things: jal, water, jungle, plant, and jameen. Jameen means soil, land. So we have two mothers, but mostly no, we have one mother. No. We have two mothers. One mother is biological mother. Second mother is Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is made of jal, jungle, jameen, water, plant, and land, soil. And Mother Earth is giving everything, energy. It ensures, Mother Earth ensures to provide all sorts of facility, energy, everything, so that we can progress in our life. But what is happening? Plastic is the biggest enemy of Jal, Jungle and Jameen. By our plastic use, we have given too much pain to our Mother Earth, and that's why we need to take care of our second mother, Mother Earth, by not using plastic and making water conservation, increasing greenery and all that.
To increase, sir, to increase green cover, it is based on land, owning land. Most of the land owned by government. Marginalized people don't have land.
No, I do not agree with your this idea, and there is this question previous, we do not have land. There is, land is not required. Required mindset. If you have home, right now we can put plants in the pots, small pots. Okay. If you have a bag, put in the soil, some soil, some organic material, fertilizer, organic fertilizer, put some seed. Automatically it will not become 20 feet, but it will become 10 feet. So 10 feet is also. So this is the mindset. Land is not a problem. Problem is the mindset. Okay. We need not land to have the plants. We need mindset. Okay. Every house, we do have plants in pots. Many good people decorate their houses by the plants. So my request is that whatever amount oxygen you are taking, inhaling, that much amount of oxygen you produce by planting the plants. Because the factory of oxygen is what? Plant. And if you are not planting, not generating oxygen, so you cannot take oxygen. You do not have moral authority to take oxygen. So there are many thought process, oxygen, and in rainy season we must conserve as much water as we use in the daily life, washing, drinking and all. And if you are not conserving, so you are taking water conserved by others. So someone else has conserved and you are not taking that water without his permission. What called this? Chori, stealing.